Welcome students. We have started the chapter plants, and in our last class we discussed parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? And we discussed parts of a plant. What are the parts we discussed? Stem. We have discussed what is stem. It is the main part of a plant and it is the very strong part. That means the middle part of a plant. It is called stem. That means which grows upward, and without this stem a plant cannot stand upright. Okay, so this is stem. Next we have discussed leaves. We have discussed that many types of leaves are there, colors are different, then the sizes are also, shapes also different. So many types of leaves we see, and leaves are also a part of a plant. Then we have discussed flower. Flower also, it is a part of a plant, and every one of us, we love flowers and we offer flowers to God also, and many people have flowers. That means the flower plant is there at home or inside our home also we keep for decorating our homes. And we have discussed roots. So roots grow under the ground. That means it goes downward and it takes the food from the soil, and the water what we give to the flowers, to the plant, and from the rain also it takes its food. And without the roots a plant cannot stand upright. Understood? So these are the things we discussed in our last class. Today we will discuss about fruits and seeds. So what is fruit? Most of you know, and we love to eat fruits, and fruits protect us from many diseases. That is why we should eat regularly fruits. So many fruits are there. Can you name few of the fruits? These are mango, banana, then grapes, then guava. So many fruits are there, and I think most of you like to eat also. So those who eat, it is very good for them and you will become healthy also. So today we will start our discussion with fruit. So fruit, flowers of many plants grow into fruits. That means, have you noticed that in a plant small flower comes, and from these flowers when it grows it becomes a fruit. So many plants are there like that. From the flower only it becomes a fruit. So in your book some pictures are given: mango, banana, then apple, grapes, guava, pomegranate, and many other fruits are also there. So these fruits are also a part of plant. Next comes seeds. What is seed? Do you know? Inside the fruit, some hard things are there. Have you noticed? If you see that some small hard things are there, it is called seeds. And it is that means we get seeds inside the fruit. So fruits protect the seeds. That means inside the fruit, seeds are there. That means fruit protect the seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. After eating a fruit, what do? We throw it. We throw the seeds. And after some days, we see that small plants are coming. That means from the seed, a plant grows. Some fruits have big seeds, some have small seeds. So have you seen that small seeds are also there, big seeds are also there. So in various fruits, various types of seeds are also there, and some fruits have only one seed also. Can you name? Yes, it is mango. So inside the mango, a big seed is there, and from that seed, a plant, mango plant, grows. And some have many seeds. In the watermelon, have you noticed that many seeds are there? So like watermelon, some other fruits are also there. Those fruits have more seeds, and some have only one seed. So this is about the seed. Now, how a plant make its food? That means it grows, it becomes a tree also. Whether we are giving anything, that yes, you take this food and you grow, but we are not giving. Where from they are getting their food? So most of the plants make food in their leaves only. That means the leaves, the green leaves are there in the tree or plants. That leaves only make their food. How? The leaves contain a green colored substance called chlorophyll. So one green colored thing is there inside the leaves. It is called chlorophyll. What it is called? It is called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll helps to make food. This chlorophyll helps the plant to make food for the plant using carbon dioxide. So you will understand carbon dioxide, oxygen. So you will understand in your next classes. You will come to know about this carbon dioxide. So without oxygen we cannot live. That means in the air oxygen is there, which we take, and what we take out, it is called carbon dioxide. We take breath in and we take breathe out also. So breathing out, it is called, what it is called? It is called carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide the plant takes. So from the air only they take this carbon dioxide, then water also, and the nutrients. That means, nutrient means we have read earlier, nutrients means the food which we need to grow. It is called nutrients. So from the soil only that nutrients the plants take. and from the sunlight. So without water and sunlight, a plant cannot grow well. Understood? So without sunlight, that means without the sun or without water, a plant cannot grow. This process is called photosynthesis. So the process how the plant make their own food, it is called photosynthesis. That means the process how they make their food, it is called photosynthesis. In your next classes in 4, 5 or 6 you will find this photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? So now just little bit is there in your chapter. This is called photosynthesis. That means the plant how it prepares its food. It is called photosynthesis. Alright. So during photosynthesis, plants release oxygen. That means they release oxygen and we take the oxygen. So there is the difference between plant and us. We take the oxygen and plants release the oxygen. So plants release the oxygen into the air. So into the air they release. Humans, animals and birds, we need oxygen to breathe. So where from we take? These plants only, they release oxygen and we take this oxygen and we are taking the breathing. That means the breathing in and out we are doing. So while breathing in, this oxygen comes inside us, and when we breathe out the carbon dioxide, we breathe out. So this is the thing what we get from the plants. Not only the fruits we are getting, not only the flowers we are getting, but we are getting the oxygen. That is the most important thing. Without the oxygen, humans, animals, birds, no one can live. So this is the most important thing what we get from plant. So this is all about our chapter number 8, plants. So let us recall once what we have discussed in this chapter. Plants grow on land and even under the water also. So under the water, have you noticed? If you notice, you will find that under the water plants are there. The roots absorb water. The roots of a plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil. That means from the soil they take the water and other nutrients to grow. Then stem carries the food and water to all the parts of a plant. So it is the work of the stem only that carries the things from the root and it distributes to all the parts of a plant. Then the leaves make food through photosynthesis. The leaves only make the food of a plant. It is called photosynthesis. And flowers of many plants grow into fruits. Fruits protect the seeds inside them. That we have discussed, that the fruit protects the seeds inside them. And the seeds grow into new plants. So these are all about the plants. So I think all of you have understood, and here we have finished our chapter. Now next we will do the exercises and you try to understand, watch the video, then you will understand all the things. So let us conclude here. Thank you.